In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your highlights from Readwise into Notion. So if you're an avid reader who loves to gather insights and would like to seamlessly integrate all those notes into your Notion space, this is the guide you've been waiting for. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Readwise on their website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you've logged in, navigate over to the menu and look for something labeled Export Highlights. This is your gateway to start transferring all the interesting tidbits you've collected. It might take a moment to find if you're not familiar with the layout, but don't worry, it's there. Now, from the list of options available, you'll want to choose Notion as your integration of choice. For this, simply click on the Notion icon. This step is crucial as it tells Readwise exactly where you want your highlights to land. Next up, it's time to connect your Notion account. Look for the button that says Connect Notion to Readwise and give it a click. At this point, the system will guide you through logging into your Notion account. Follow those instructions carefully to authorize the connection. If you haven't yet installed the Readwise exporter extension, you'll probably be prompted to do so here, so be sure to complete that installation to avoid any hiccups in the process. Once you've successfully linked your Notion account, you'll move on to configuring the export settings. Here, you'll get to choose which Notion workspace you'd like your highlights to be exported to. Take a minute to think about where you want all this information to go. You can further refine how the data gets exported by adjusting settings like automatically export, or whether you want to include highlight location. You might also have the option to select a compact layout, depending on your preferences for how the information will be displayed. With everything set up just the way you like, you're ready for the big moment. Go ahead and hit the export button. This will magically create a new page in your chosen Notion workspace. On this page, you'll find a nicely formatted database of all your highlights. Keep in mind that the initial export might take a bit of time, especially if you have a large amount of data. So be patient, and once the export is complete, it's time to manage your new database. Feel free to move this newly created Readwise database to a different location within your Notion setup, perhaps into your second brain or anywhere else that's convenient for your workflow. This flexibility is one of the shining features of Notion, making it such a powerful tool for organizing your thoughts and knowledge in a way that's most intuitive for you. And that's about it. With these steps, you've successfully exported your highlights from Readwise to Notion. You're now all set to dive into your notes, explore your collected wisdom, and maybe even share it with others. Thanks for following along and happy organizing.